System activated.
Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Here is your daily turbo update for Bitcoin, and this was the picture from my last video, from my yesterday video. You can see this, guys. Here is a triangle, and I told you guys, attention, if we will break out this triangle to the downside, we may see a bad target, and this was, in my opinion, the first target, 42,800, and we hit it perfectly. We saw a perfect hit of this downtrend channel, of this line of the downtrend channel, and from here we see, or we saw, a little bounce to the upside. But guys, if you're zooming in a little bit more, you can see it. The bad ribbon band, this red one here, is a resistance, and this is a big resistance for Bitcoin for the moment. You can see Bitcoin is fighting with this ribbon band, and for the moment it doesn't look very nice for this fight, guys. The big thing is this little resistance, this line here, is a red one. It was a red one, and we broke it to the upside, retested it again, and now it's going up. We are building higher lows. That's also a nice sign for the short term, guys. This is not the baddest thing, but we need to watch this. This ribbon band is our biggest resistance for the moment. Also, guys, I told you, if we will break out to the downside, we may see more downgoing Bitcoin power, and the target of the breaking down this triangle is 38,500. In my opinion, it's still possible to reach this target very fast. The next thing we have to watch is this, guys. We are in a downtrend, yes, for sure, but look at this. We are also in a parallel channel from the upside, or no, not from this point here, maybe from this point here over this point here to this point here. This is also a downtrend in a 1 hour chart picture. The big one is this great downtrend here, okay, for sure, but we are in a little downtrend, and as long as we are in this big danger, guys, we need to watch this. The support in this downtrend is this line, and this is for the moment holding. You can see it. We saw a spike under this support here. We saw the next candle over this support, so it's a nice holding support line in this downtrend. But guys, we need to hold this. This is very important. And guys, the biggest thing is, in my opinion, we need to hold this line here. This is one of the biggest supports for the moment, because this is the trend line, the underline of this downtrend, and this is very important to hold now for Bitcoin. So if you're zooming out a little bit more, we can see one next thing. This is the MACD, and for the moment the MACD is bullish. You can see the blue line is over the brown line. This is fine. We are building more green candles. That's not so bad. That's very nice. But guys, you can see also here this yellow line, the EMA 200, is coming from the upside. Momently the line is on 51,000, and this is also a big resistance to watch. The next one, the next big resistance, if we can fight against the ribbon band, is this line. This is the middle line of our downtrend, and this is the next big resistance for the moment, for the day. Maybe we will hit it, maybe we'll fight back the ribbon band. Then we have to watch this. For the first, we need to break out of this little downtrend, and for the next, we need this line here. This is 50,000. This is a big resistance, because that's the middle line of this downtrend. So guys, let's zoom out a little bit more on this turbo update, and let's check what's going on here. This is the bigger time frame. On the bigger time frame, the MACD is bearish. You can see the blue line is under the brown line, and that's not the best thing we have to watch for the moment. And guys, one thing I would like to show you is the weekly chart picture. The weekly chart picture is, in my opinion, the baddest thing at all for the moment. I told you guys, we are building here on this bigger time frame, on the weekly or on the daily chart. Yes, this is the daily chart. Sorry, this is the daily chart. We are building here a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. I showed you this in some days here, and guys, I told you also, we will break, or if we will break this nice support here, this would be a really big problem. And now you can see on the daily chart, yes, we broke it, confirmed broken trend line here, and that's a very bad thing. I also told you guys, we have a target to the downside. If we will break this confirmed on the daily, and for the moment it is broken, you can see this is our big target to the downside, and this is here on 34,000, 35,000. This is the biggest thing, in my opinion, we have to watch. One thing I am showing, or I'm waiting, is this line. If it will break down really more and more here, this is a really nice support. This was the last point here, the high point, 40,900, 41,000. This is a really nice support here, and I hope this would hold. So the biggest thing now to watch is, in my opinion, also the weekly chart, guys. This is the weekly chart, and on the weekly chart you can see it perfect here. This is our shoulder, head, shoulder. and we have broke it to the downside completely. And on the weekly chart, we have here the line on this position. We have to show this, or to watch this also. This is 38,000. So guys, this is now, in my opinion, the importantest week ever for Bitcoin. This candle has now closed. If we are turning on the candles again, this candle here is now, in my opinion, a confirmed closing candle under this bad line here, under this trend line. We closed it, and now we see maybe a really big downgoing Bitcoin here, maybe to 38,000. This is my next target we have to watch. So guys, this is the quick update, the turbo update for today. Bad news. I know guys, these are very bad news, but sorry for this. I have to tell you this news also. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short from here. I hope you make millions out there with your trade. Have a nice time. Greetings, your BT, your Bitcoin Trading Informant, and big greetings to Cromlange. He is my boss of my live stream. I'm streaming live Bitcoin 24 hours, 7 days a week. You can see it here with everything you need for trade, long, simple, short signals, all you need for trading. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.
System activated.